Flash lighting kits are essential tools for photographers seeking professional quality images with precise control over lighting. Whether shooting portraits, products, or creative projects, a reliable kit ensures consistent illumination, color.
List number 1. The Godox 600W Studio Flash Kit is designed for professional and enthusiast photographers requiring powerful and consistent lighting.
Featuring a Bowens mount, it's compatible with a wide range of modifiers such as softboxes, beauty dishes, and reflectors.
With high-speed flash capabilities, it ensures sharp captures even in motion-heavy photography. The kit includes adjustable light stands, flash heads, and triggers, making setup straightforward. Durable construction guarantees long-term use, while the 600W power output delivers bright and even lighting for portraits, product shots, and creative projects, ideal for both studio and on-location shoots. List number. The Godox ADS200 Stick Flash Head is a compact, high-quality solution for portable lighting setups. Rated at 200 watts with 5800K daylight balanced color temperature, it provides consistent, natural illumination when paired with AD200 series flashes. Its lightweight design allows easy positioning on stands or in softboxes. This flash head is perfect for photographers who need mobile, adaptable lighting without sacrificing performance. The robust construction ensures reliability in various shooting conditions, while its Bowens mount allows for versatile modifier use, making it a strong choice for both travel and studio photography.
List number 3. Neewer's Photography Lighting Kit
Combines versatility with value, featuring adjustable stands, softboxes, and backdrop support. The 8.5 by 10 feet backdrop stands accommodate multiple backgrounds, making it ideal for portraits, product photography, and creative shoots. The included lights produce soft, even illumination to reduce harsh shadows, while the softboxes diffuse light for flattering results. This kit is beginner-friendly, offering quick setup and portability. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while the range of included accessories provides photographers with flexibility to explore various lighting techniques. List number 4. The Neewer 700W Equivalent Softbox Lighting Kit is perfect for photographers seeking consistent, bright lighting with energy efficiency. Each softbox features UL-certified 5700K LED bulbs that produce daylight-balanced illumination for accurate color representation. The 2-pack configuration ensures broad coverage and even lighting across subjects. Lightweight and easy to assemble, these softboxes are suitable for portrait, product, and video work. With durable tripods and adjustable angles, this kit provides reliable performance while remaining beginner-friendly. A great choice for those seeking quality lighting without complicated setups. List number 5. The Torgem Softbox Kit offers compact, professional lighting for both photography and videography. Each 16 by 16 softbox delivers soft, diffused light that enhances portraits and product shots, minimizing shadows and glare. The kit includes adjustable stands and bulbs designed for consistent color temperature. Its durable design and easy assembly make it suitable for both home studios and on-location shoots. Lightweight yet robust, this kit is ideal for beginners and professionals alike who need high-quality lighting in a compact form factor.